All right, we need to talk about one-to-one functions before we talk about inverse functions. And the reason why is because in order to find an inverse, a function has to be one-to-one. What is a one-to-one function? Well, this is the definition. Let's read it and then we'll make sense of it. A function is one-to-one if given two x values that are different, f of x1, these are their y values, it means their y values must also be different. That's what that's saying. All right? They can't be the same. All right, so what does that mean? So for example, our parabolas, one-to-one. Let's see. Can we find two different x values that have the same y value? Yeah, we can. Notice if I pick this x value, that's my y value. I keep going over here. If this is my other x value, clearly these are different x values, but when I plug them into my function, what comes out is the same y values. These are equal to each other. So parabolas are not one-to-one. The easy way to determine if a graph is one-to-one is the horizontal line test. If you draw a horizontal line, if it crosses more than once, it's not one-to-one. And that's because a horizontal line represents one y value, and if it crosses more than once, you have two x values that are different, but these are the same because a horizontal line, y is like 3, it's the same. Yeah. That's why it works. So, is that graph one-to-one? Yes. It passes any horizontal line that I draw, only crosses once. So this graph is one-to-one.